Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create dynamic labels and dynamic columns in Excel. As you can see, when I press region name here in the slicer, everything gets updated automatically. There are multiple reasons why you want to do this. Maybe you have to present it to the stakeholders, maybe you have to give it to your boss, upload it on SharePoint. Whatever the case is, it will definitely make you look like Office Wizard. So let's begin. I've got this table here, which does nothing if I press any of the region name, because we haven't applied any of those formulas yet. To make it like the other table, we need these 5 things. So first thing is we need a filtered count, but before that we will need to apply or we need to give index to all the items in our table. Index is nothing but just numbers. So there are multiple ways to do this, but I'm gonna just type it manually. So we're 15 items. To get the count of filtered items, I will need a formula which is subtotal. So we need count, which is on number 2. So number 2, and then we're gonna select the range where we want to apply it. So we want to apply it on this one. Close bracket, enter. So I've got 15 total items at the minute, but if I choose a different region, it changes. It just shows me the filtered count of items. Now we need a total count, which is very basic count formula. On this range, 15, it doesn't change if I apply the filters. That's basically what we need. Now we need minimum index of a filter table. For that, we will use again subtotal. Minimum is number 5. Select number 5 and the range, again, the same. If I choose UK, so showing the top one is 5, basically it's getting me the lowest number from the filtered range. Fantastic. Now we need to fetch the region. For that, we will just apply a Xlookup formula on it. If you go old Excel, you probably will apply VLOOKUP, but I believe everybody got Excel 360 or Excel 2019 now, and you can use Xlookup, which is much faster and it can look both ways. So we're gonna apply Xlookup. The lookup value will be minimum index, and look at array, basically where we want to look for this value. We want to look for this value in this array. Array is basically a list. Return array, we want to return this list, and if it does not found what we need, we want it to return nothing. So they say double quote, which means nothing, comma, exact match, comma, first to last search mode. Close bracket, enter. USA. If I select UK, it becomes UK. If I select USA, it becomes USA. Fantastic. Now we need a symbol for these countries. So as we know, if it's USA, it's dollar. If it's UK, it's pound symbol. So we're gonna type a ifs formula. If this is equal to USA, give me a dollar symbol, and if it is equal to UK, give me pound symbol, right? And I want to add one more thing into this formula. I want to run this formula only when we have selected something over here. So basically, if this is not equal to this, then I want to run these formulas. Basically, no, actually, sorry, apologize. If this is equal to this, I want to return nothing. Basically, if we have selected everything, it should show nothing. Fantastic. If we remove all filter, it should disappear. And we have to apply the same thing on this one. Basically, if this is not equal to this, we want to run the logic, otherwise we want to return nothing. Fantastic. So once we select something here, it shows us these regions and symbols, otherwise it just disappears. Smashing. This is what we need. Now we need to insert a, I don't know, a text box or art. Let's say this one. And connect this with this cell. To connect it, just select the art, go to the formula, type equal, and select the cell. Press enter. Now you select something in here. You can see it's working. We'll just make it a little bit bigger. Change its format to whatever we like. Make it slightly bigger again. We can hide this column, this index column, we don't need it. There you go. So as you can see, it's working. All good. What we need here is total net profit. Total net profit, which will be again a sum of filtered values. So we can apply again subtotal. Subtotal number 9, select the range, close bracket. Now we want this to be a pair only once we have selected something here, otherwise we want it to just disappear. So we're going to run the if logic again, equal if this is not equal to this, comma, I want to return total profit, otherwise nothing. Smashing. Same thing with this one. If this is not equal to this, run the logic, otherwise return nothing. Smashing. As you can see, all working nicely. We also need to add the symbols according to region into the total. For that, we will just add a symbol here just before the subtotal. That would be symbol and and sign, open quote, space, quote, and sign again, enter. As you can see, it's working. What we need now to make this column dynamic, we would basically create another column. As you can see, we can't have the same name column inside the table. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just delete 2 and enter an empty space. Good. Now basically we're gonna do the same thing what we did with this. Equal symbol and for bracket space close and select them out. Sorry, we need to make this absolute reference. Just select this one and press F4. When you see $signs in front of the cell reference, which means it's absolute reference and it won't change if you drag the formula. There you go. And now we can just hide this column. Let's move this one, Control X, Control V, and hide this one because we don't need it. Hide all this, we don't need it. Happy days. So this is how we do it. But if you are using pivot tables, it's much easier to do these things. Instead of going through all these formulas, you'll be using half of these formulas. Let me know if you want me to create another video how to do similar things with the pivot tables. And thank you again for watching my videos. This is my brand new channel and this is my second video. If you find these videos helpful, please subscribe and comment and like. And if you want to ask me any question, if you want me to make videos on any specific topic, please let me know. Thank you very much and see you next time.